Hey guys, what's going on? It's Zach here after a long break after our trip on the road. I'm back fixing Beamers and I've got a really good one for you coming up. This is a 2000 528 wagon. So we located this car. It's got about 100,000 miles on it. But what we're doing is we have a huge order in from FCP Euro. I think it's like $1,200 worth of parts that we're gonna throw in. New shocks, struts, mounts, valve cover gasket, as you can see. We even replaced things like the alternator with a second-hand one. New belts, coolant. You can see the whole radiator assemblies out of this thing. Being that this is a touring, we got some pretty interesting videos coming up for you guys. We've got the rear shocks, which I don't know if they've been done on video before, but we're gonna do it. What else do we got? Motor mounts, tranny mounts. We got the flex disc. We got the center support bearing. We got a ton of stuff to throw into this car, and it's going to be a brand new 18-year-old 528. So if you guys haven't done so, shoot me a message below. Maybe next time I'll show up at your house with a bunch of parts and help wrench on your car. So see you guys.